Hello my darling angels, Paulina here, and I am back with another video. I am showered, I am moisturized, and most importantly I am excited for the next look that I'm doing. So today's video will be about transferable products. So not every day different eyeshadow, okay? We ain't fronting like that. What I want to emphasize today is that you can use different products for different purposes, and also this is to show you that I am an everyday girl if you don't know me personally, and I want to make sure that this YouTube channel is accessible to everyone of any demographic or status or whatever you identify with. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing what look I come up with in this video, keep watching, but as always, click that subscribe button, like this video, and show your girl some support. The first thing I'm going to do is start off with my eyebrows, and then I will pull you back closer in order to get to my eye look. So yeah, you know what to do.
My homegirl a stripper, she stack mad paper. We're both morally corrupt, but she get paid for it. How ironic, oxymoronic, pussy for profit.
So guys, I'm doing my eyebrows and I got a delivery. So, you know what's so funny is I pay for this. Everything that comes around I pay for, but I still get excited. Like, I still feel like it's Christmas when it comes to this makeup thing. Like, I get so excited about everything. So I knew this was coming. I just don't know what it is, but I'm so excited to see. And you know, you gotta start somewhere. So let me do a quick unboxing. Oh yeah.
She Ethiopian, I'm going there raw. Tired of Philippians, I grapple with censorship, cause I'm an artist. I finish her with a power.
Oh my god.
We're talking Morse code, by the crossroads. We had a lot of love.
Why did I deserve this? I worked hard, okay? I worked hard, very hard. And by working hard, I mean I work and then I reinvested that money into my business. So, oh my, where do I begin? All right, I'm just picking one at random. Look. Look at that. I'm so blessed. And I say I'm blessed because I have a means to elevate myself, and because I'm very, oh my God. Do you see that? Do you see that? I'm truly blessed, and by blessed I don't mean this isn't free, like don't get that twisted. It means that God has given me the work ethic to be able to, you know, see what it is, identify what it is that I want to do in life, and this being it, and then also giving me the foundation in knowing that I do have to work hard in order to get all of this stuff. And by receiving the goods that I've worked hard for, you can see how excited I am. Oh my God. If you want to know where I got these from, maybe I'll do a video on it. Maybe I won't. Maybe the company needs to sponsor me first, but back to the eyebrows, guys. Okay, so I'm going to start off by putting the concealer on my eyelids first, and that's just going to make everything stay in place. So you can do that, and I've conformed to reality of makeup, and I've pulled out my beauty blender. This is a clean one, guys. Always start off with a clean beauty blender. Clean, keyword. So yeah, just get your concealer and put that on there.
African born, Australian fella. I guess I'm robbing islands. I just cope behind bars with no hope is no joke. The irony of wearing a Jesus piece.
So now that I put the concealer on, I'm just going to go in with Swiss Chocolate again by MAC. Yeah.
Hoes and Christian to get a piece. R.I.P. to these old ass dreams. I'm on stage. Can you hear these screams? Hey!
Give me all the hype, cause I'm a cold one in the game. Nobody's my type these days, they're out of aim. I curve from my fast, before they get the chance to play me. No, nobody plays me. And I spend my time like my money a lot of times.
So now that I've put that colour all over my lid, I'm going in with an orange shade. Key note there, guys. And then I'm just going to warm up my crease a little bit. So, yeah.
3 on average, aye. Out of Millie, that's my profit. Know those girlies in your closet, better watch it. Well, yeah, aye.
Too many sins in my DM. Too many broken hearted.
The next thing that I want to do is use my first transferable product. So the one thing that I do use very often is my blush, and that's what I'm going to use to make a little bit more of a pink tone to my eyeshadow base at the moment. So I'm using my blush, and it's the same blush I used last time. I'm so sorry, it's broken, so you can see a little bit there, but I'm just going to put that in on top of what I've done here, and that's just going to pinkify it a little bit. Next video I'll do better. Next video. Look, I just paid for my brushes, so like I gotta wait till next payment.
Women catching Ubers from my BM. Savage, I flip cabbage, and I swag in Saint Laurent glasses. She says I use her, abuse her. My heart's stone cold, but she's Medusa. When heart speaks, I don't listen.
You want to focus that color on the base of your eyelids, but then you want to make sure that you can see the gradient effect. Okay, you want to see that it's going darker here, more pigmented here, and it's going lighter, lighter, lighter. So it's important to go back and forth with each color and make sure that they graduate into each other seamlessly.
Tell him, you should cop this. I'm a savage, you know when I drop this, I'ma have you singing,
That's that look done, and you can see the formation of my look progressing. Another thing that I want to stress as well, if you are wanting to create your own YouTube channel, or if you're wanting to do anything entrepreneurship wise, be your biggest fan, okay? So every time I do something and I see it in the camera, I'm like, oh, I like that. Go Leany, go Leany, go Leany. So the next color that I'm going to be going in with is this purple shade. This is from Sigma, okay, and this is called Gossip. So I'm going in with this one, and from the first look that you saw me do, remembering halo, it means that you apply your darkest colors to the ends and the front of your eyelid.
like a pirate, now go overboard for me. Do it the way I desire, wreck your vocal cords, scream. And when my ship begins to sink, devil boys.
That's the eye base so far. And what I want to do is take my Burgundy palette by MAC again. I think it's very fitting for this look. And I'm going in with this dark black shade here. And look, guys, yeah, it's always going to be messy, so I ain't mad at it though. Use products means that you like something, so hey.
Tell him, you should cop this. I'm a savage, you know when I drop this, I'ma have you singing, you're the ones that talk shit. 3 on average, I don't know, that's my profit, know those girlies in your closet.
So for the middle part of my eye, I'm going to be using this color here, and it is by Tarte, and it's called Speak Easy. So I'm putting that right here, okay, here and here. And that's going to really pop this look and just bring it to where we need it to be. This, I'm getting a flat brush. I'm getting a flat brush like this, and I am spraying it with my Fix Plus spray, okay? So make sure that you dampen that brush, so that way you can pick up as much product as possible, because that's really going to put some magic into your eyes. So scary, but slowly but surely. So that is where my eyes are at. So I've blended everything and I have made everything look quite nice, if I say so myself. The next thing I'm going to do is line my eyes with a liquid eyeliner, and this one here is by Rimmel. So that is my eyeliner done, and again, with this look, I didn't feel the need to do a winged eyeliner. I just thought, yeah, just line the tops of your eyes and then go on with your look. I'm going to go in with my mascara, and you know what to do here, guys. So what I'm going to do now is move on to my foundation, and then I'll go back into my eyes a little bit later. But so far, what do you think, guys? And do you see that?
Behind bars with no hope is no joke. The irony of wearing a Jesus piece to attract hoes and Christian to get a piece. R.I.P. to these old ass dreams. I'm on stage, can you hear these screams? Hey!
Give me all the hype, cause I'm a cold one in the game. Nobody's my type these days, they're all the same.
Yeah, that's pretty much my foundation and my contour done. I'm just going to go back into the eyebrows, and you know the deal.
My time like my money, lot of time saved, I'm a bossed up, honey. You should cop this. I'm savage, aye. You know when I drop this, I'ma have you singing, aye. You the ones that talk shit. 3 on average, aye. At a milli, that's my profit. Know the skillies in your closet, better watch it. Well, yeah, aye.
Too many sins.
So yeah, I've finished my contouring and foundation. I've brought back that color underneath my eyes, and now I'm going in with my mascara with the white and black shade again. Because we did a pinky tone for the eye look, I'm going to go back in with my cheeky bronze highlighter from MAC, and you can see this is like a pink shade, so this is really going to tie in with that eye look as well. So I'm going to do that. Another thing to note with highlighter, you want to work it from your cheekbone upwards, but then you also want to connect it here, okay? This is a trick that I had learned from Rhianna'S makeup artist. So she does this, and she connects it. And what that does, it just creates a beautiful sculpt. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, and then also connect it here. So some people I know like to do like a brow bone color from here to here. I personally just prefer to use whatever highlighter that I'm using and connect that to the look. So can you see that? Pop. And then you want to highlight in between your nose as well. If you're anything like me, I do not have a nose bridge bone, so I need to kind of create that look per se by the way I highlight. So if you've got a flat nose, highlight your life away. Another thing some people like to do is highlight their nose here. Now my nose is a little bit wider, so I'm not going to put a lot of highlighter there. People with the smaller noses can do that little thing where they make their nose look like a cute for girls like me, or for boys like me, okay? Beyonce said I ain't gonna throw shade at Jay, but I'm definitely no my place. So that's that. And then again, guys, we're talking about transferable color. Purse your lips when you're doing blush because you want to focus on these points here. So that's pretty much my look. And then once again, guys, go ham. So for my lips, I am also going to draw on the purple shadows that I used in this look. And I'm going to pick up this one, and this is called Sin by MAC. And it's this beautiful, beautiful burgundy color. I'm not sure if you can see that, but really love it. And I'm going to put this on the parameters of my lips, and then only a little bit on the center.
You know when I drop this, I'ma have you singing.
Yeah, so I put that mostly on the parameters of my lips. And then remember, guys, I told you transferable colors. So I'm going back in with that Tarte eyeshadow that I used in the middle of my eyelids, and I'm actually going to just pat that on with my same eyeshadow brush and just mattify it a little bit.
3 on average, I don't know, that's my profit, no, that's girl.
Alright guys, well that's the final look. Oh my lordy, I am so happy with the way it turned out. You can see what I mean by how transferable color really brings the look and just really changes the game when trying to execute any type of look, because it just draws it in together. The one tone that I wanted to use throughout this look was that pink, purpley, champagne bronze color, and you can do that by using your products in a variety of ways. So I love the way my lips look in conjunction with this eye look, and you can see that bringing that shimmer pigment to the middle of my lips really made it just give that Super Saiyan power. I feel unstoppable. As always, guys, I really have been appreciating your continuity. That's a good damn word. Continuous support. It has not gone unacknowledged. I am super thankful for the continuous support that you have shown, and that I hope that with a look like this I can continue showing my growth. It's only been however many videos, but even by doing this, it's allowing me to practice, and every time I'm filming I'm like, oh, I really did that. And then again, don't forget, like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click that bell button if you want to be notified when I'm posting. I'm trying to post at least twice a week. I'm thinking Sunday, probably Monday, trying to get Thursday going. But with your support, I'm going to just keep trying to film as much as possible. And also, you know that I've got my Instagram page, 48 Shades AU, and then my Facebook page under the same name as well. So yeah, I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next video.
Now go overboard for me. Do it the way I desire. Wreck your vocal cords, scream. And when my shit